In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Terabox app login problem or the Terabox app not working. It's really easy to do. So the first thing that you actually want to do this is you just want to go over to the App Store and search for Terabox. Now, we actually just want to make sure that the Terabox app itself is completely up to date. As you can see, when I click on this app right here, there's an update, which means I'm missing out on the new versions of this app, which could be the reason I'm not able to log in, or the app is not actually able to successfully open as flawlessly as it does. And once you've actually updated your Terabox app, this should be the first thing that should actually fix it. But if it doesn't fix it, you just want to go over to your settings, and then you just want to go over to general, and you want to scroll down and find where it says iPhone storage. You click on iPhone storage, and once it actually loads all of this, you just want to scroll down once again and find where the app says Terabox. Once you actually find the Terabox app, you just want to click on it, and then from here you just click on offload app. Now this basically removes the app entirely from your phone, resetting it from scratch, so that when you click reinstall, it should fix your issue and you should be able to use it once again.